Very good evening, friends, and in this video we are going to discuss about the Android relative layout on the Android Studio, and I will be using more of the design aspect. Now see, this is design button I clicked, and now I see my drawable is ready, my palette is ready, and my relative layout is also ready with the size as the width as the match parent. And now these are the palettes where I'll be dragging and dropping the elements and the widgets, or you can say the views, and then I'll place them at the right positions as I have a certain plan, and I want to demonstrate you that how you can design using the design view. So it has got the 4 hooks. Now I connect these 4 hooks, the left, top, right, and I'll keep the bottom one free. This is just a simple text view. Now this window is the attribute window for the views. Now since my text view is selected, so this one is representing the attributes related to the text view. So now I can change the text size, the layout, the background color, the text color, every lot of properties are there. I'll not be using more of this. I'm just trying to show you that if you feel like you can go there and you can work with that. I'll be using 80% design and 20% the text form. Now here I come back to the text view, then I will use that my text should be at the middle, so I just use the Android gravity, and then I'll put the property central or center horizontal. So now you see this is at the I need to provide some padding from the top so that it can come right in center. So the padding 20 will be better. So just see, by putting 10 now see it should come little more down, so I make it padding as 20 dp density pixel, and this is how you can design it. You can provide the text. So I say just go by 80% by design view, and 20% you can come back into the code and make some changes. Like here I'm changing the text, I'll make it as relative layout because this video is demonstration. I have already uploaded a video called relative layout part 1, but there I did the thing manually. Now here I'm doing with 80% design view, drag and drop, and then the remaining. So now this is the image view I'm taking into the consideration, and the image associated I'll select it from the project, and that image is name is fish.png, is present in the drawable folder. You can see it's right just there. Now with the help of these hooks, I drag this image view to the desired position where I want it to be there. So now the 2 hooks are there. Now this is the 3rd hook. I just place it to the bottom hook of the above text view. So you can say this view is below the text view which I have placed on the top with the text relative layout on it. Now with now all these hooks from 3 sides is attached. Now let me take another text view. So I simply drag it, and yes, text, just simple. This is also text view. So I just take this text view, place it here, and then it will by default it will go to the top left corner. And then I will use these hooks and attach it, one to the right, one to the bottom, and then I simply drag it to the desired position. Then I stretch it so that it can have the appropriate size for itself, and then the margin, padding, all will be provided by the Android Studio, like yes, IDE. So here I connect this hook to the fish. So this text view is placed right of the image view, or you can say the image view is placed left of this particular text by which I have already selected. So and it is placed below the above text view, and it's aligned on the right side to the parent. So now I take one more edit text. Edit text is just like a text where you can enter something. Now normally many of the user interfaces you might have seen where the user enters the name and the email, password, etc. are those things are called as the edit text, and where generally you can put your information there. So now simply I have got one edit text, and it has got the 4 hooks. Let me fix these hooks and just drag and stretch it so that it can have the good look. Seeing is believing. Here I see what I'm doing, and then I'm just simply playing like the Legos, the way you play with the Legos. Just simply select and fix it to the desired position to get the proper, you can say, the already anticipated design into the action. So this is already, I have made up my mind that what I'm going to design. So for that I needed two text view, one image, one edit text, and one button. This is just a demonstration that how you can design. It has no other purpose. Like, I'm not making something like that. I'm just trying to teach you and explain you that how you can use these widgets, or you can say these views, just by drag and drop. And then you can later code them and write the appropriate code in their respective Java file, which is the main activity.java. Now this is the button. I simply drag it, place it to the right position, and I stretch it and connect it with you can say the provide the hooks all three sides. Now this one is left. Yes, so this button is right on the right side of the image view and just below the edit text, and it is aligned to the parent on the right hand side. So now I go into this text view of design, and then I simply change I'm trying to make the Android background for that topmost text view to something blue dark, and the text color will be white. Yes, so now let me see how it looks. Beautiful. So now I go and just make some changes into the other information. This text should have any word. I can write the name of the fish, the type of the fish, or the category of the fish, or the money if you want to take it as a price. The way these days you can see on the different applications, commercial e-commerce applications, where they put the price money, but for that you need the format specifier. Now I just prefer put a word golden fish, because this fish looks like golden, and I just named it golden fish. On the button I put a text like click me or submit, whatever you feel like you can do. I simply prefer click me. So I'll write click me, and then this edit text is not required. I'll just use the hint, and I can name it as a fish or anything like that, because any appropriate word, because this I'm not going to perform any access, and I'm not going to use this word for any other purpose. So now I just let me provide some background to the button. I prefer the pink color, which is the color accent. And in the next video we'll discuss about these colors, strings, and then how you can make some more dynamic changes to these properties. So the text color, I take it again white, because on the pink background white will be quite visible, and you can see. So now the purpose is done. Some little final touches like the padding. So for this edit text I'll provide the gravity as center, so that this particular word what I have written as golden fish can be at the middle of the edit text. And here also I need to provide this gravity as center, so that the text on the button also will place middle. That text view still have its text misplaced, so let me just get it back to the desired position using the property Android gravity center. Now it's there, it's done. So you can also increase the text size and text color, so that the readability of the view can be improved, because you want the user to see them, right? And so I just prefer text color or text size. Also you can this is image view. So in the image view I think we don't have to add more properties, because this is simple image and it is okay to have it like that. Okay, so now I don't think image I need more changes. So I'll go for this second text view, and I'll try to change the text size. So this is text color. First let me check the color also, as you can take any color, because by default we have been given this at the rate of Android : color, and then you can find many colors by default. If you can use the HTML color codes also, that this purple is fine. So now you see the golden fish is now in the purple color, but the size is little too small. So okay, now here in the edit text also you can change this is the hint, so you can change the color hint, text color hint. Then again I can take it any color. So I'm just trying to show that you can also use these properties. Now the fish is in blue. So now I think we are done here. Let me run the application. You can see how it all looks in the final on emulator, and I'm pretty sure that it is beautiful. So this way you can design Android layouts, relative layouts, constraints layout nicely on the emulator, and this is how you have to practice it also, don't forget it. So just subscribe to our channel and keep watching, and this way you can simply understand that designing is most beautiful thing. It just gives you sense that you are doing. So I just removed one image from there, and now since it is getting ready, that's why in the meantime I found that keep my drawable folder free from the unused images. This I did, and now my emulator is ready. Let the final view come. So just wait for 2-3 seconds, it will come. You can see on the design view what it looks. It will be replicated the very same way but in a more clearer way on this emulator. So here it comes. Come on. So in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and this is what it is. Thank you very much. Have a very nice time.